to suburban Houston, where officials are updating that chase that ended with a stolen tractor-trailer crashing into a Texas Department of Safety public safety building. Let's watch.
Driver's license office that's directly across the street from here. What we know is that we had several people injured as a result of this accident, as a result of this incident. The driver was being followed. He had stolen an 18-wheeler earlier. Justin's going to get into all that, so I won't get into those details. He was being chased by a deputy, and he ran into our building. We have several people that were injured, and one is deceased at this time. Again, Justin will get into all those. This is a tragic day for us. Tragic day. My heart and prayers goes out to the family members of those that are injured, as well as those that are injured. We have multiple agencies that are here that are assisting to include Washington County, Brenham PD, the FBI, as well as all the resources that we have with the Texas DPS. So we have the Texas Rangers, the Texas Highway Patrol, and the Criminal Investigations Division. So I'll step back and let Justin, Sergeant Reese come up and give you guys the details. Thank you all for being here. Really appreciate y'all. Good afternoon, everybody. This is a sad day for DPS and for all the people that were involved, all the customers that we had in our building today for today's incident. A Washington County Sheriff's deputy and other law enforcement were behind this 18-wheeler. It was reported stolen. When they saw the vehicle, it was on State Highway 36 over here on this side of 290 by the McDonald's. The driver fled from law enforcement and came here on 290 going westbound, took the feeder loop under 290, the main highway, and went east back on 290 feeder. The stolen 18-wheeler took a hard right turn and went into the DPS Brenham office. The suspect is Leonard Parker, who is 42, from Chapel Hill. Parker was taken into custody and taken to the Washington County Sheriff's Department. Parker did come to the DPS Brenham office yesterday at approximately 3 or 4 p.m., where he was denied his commercial driver license. He then, while he was there, the driver's license staff advised Parker that he was not eligible to renew his commercial driver's license. 2 people were flown to CHI St. Joseph's in Bryan. 1 person was flown to Memorial Hermann Hospital in Houston. 3 were transported to Scott & White here in Brenham and have been released. And 8 were treated and released on the scene of the incident. Unfortunately, 1 person has succumbed to their injuries and died at the hospital. This is a criminal investigation that is being led by the Texas Rangers. Parker is facing multiple felony offenses, and Victim Support Services for DPS is on the scene at the family reunification, which is at the Brenham Police Department. Any questions? That's all under investigation. His name is going to be Leonard Parker. C-L-E-N-A-R-D Parker. That's under investigation. We're not going to release that information right now because it's still very fresh, and so family notification still has to be made. That's under investigation. So all we have right now is 14 total individuals. That's all under investigation. Still very active. Can you repeat your question? No, there was no resist. He was taken out of the 18-wheeler and taken into custody by several officers. That's still under investigation. We're pulling all the information that we can. That's all going to be released through a public information request. That's all under investigation. No, we're still trying to get all that information. It's very fresh, so we're still trying to get as much information as we can. That was going to be the 14 people. Yes, all the people inside. So the 8 that I said that got checked on scene, that was everybody that was still there that didn't want to go to the hospital. So that's going to include all the people that were there. What's that? We're still trying to figure that out. Yeah, he went into the vehicle, went into the building, and did come back out. That is the front door where the driver's license office is at. I'm unsure right now. We're still trying to figure all that out. That's the waiting area where people who are waiting for the car. Correct. Yeah, that's the waiting area and where the driver's license desks are at. Gotcha. So were any officers just trying to get an idea of exactly how far into the building? Correct. Did the truck make it inside? Did it make it past the lobby into the office area? That's all still in investigation. There are several offices behind that driver's license waiting area, so we're still trying to figure all that out. The suspect did not suffer any injuries. 14 total. Everybody went to hospitals, yes. We're still trying to figure all that out.
You have been listening to officials speak about the stolen 18-wheeler that crashed into a Texas Department of Public Safety building. 1 person is dead. Several people were injured as a result of this. The 42-year-old male suspect, you heard officials name him, the name is Leonard Parker, was being chased by a deputy when that truck crashed into the building. The driver is in custody, and officials said that he was apparently denied a commercial driver's license at that same building yesterday. The suspect is now facing multiple felony